it's just the 4 terabyte order. A sealed, newly purchased 4 terabyte.
So it will still be in the package, it's sealed. Might be used. You can just open it. Distribution and also assist in your receiving everything that's happening.
Find out where the hard drive is to be delivered. Equally, I recall and notify the state in terms of section 343A that on the next occasion we will be requesting the court to hold an investigation as to the reasons for the delay, which seems to be unreasonable at this time. That will be a year and a half anniversary of this matter. Disagree with the Honourable Court that whatever accused number 1 is doing has got anything to do with accused number 8's rights.
That's fine. I understand your view. And if number 8's rights are separate from accused number 1's rights. So you are very welcome to bring an application or to then prepare such an application. And thank you for giving notice to the
Just also the what was the
February.
Go ahead, no.
Anybody else that wishes to address the board on any issue? Twenty-one April, is closed for this publicity. Review number one, and the section three, future application in terms of use of funds. Mr. Evans, who wants to say something?
Thank you. The first one is saying that this will be allowed 10 minutes to be of the dismissed running, if it's possible.
The court is only bound to what happens in the court. If what happens in the court is not
We will say.
but you cannot prohibit Mr. Newman doing illegal.
And he understands the procedure, although the board already used to be assisting us in that respect. And also at this stage, the case is not in the center, so they can, still in custody of SFA, so therefore we can require assistance if possible.
There's the second give instruction to our should be under police detention. I think by now we should be able to let us know.
Sorry, I disagree. Because basically this is throughout the custody of the
Mr. Rivera is report today, the investigating officer. The QC, although contained at this stage, we seek the assistance if possible. Otherwise, we will assist, we will request assistance by the court order as well. So we will address that formally, and we have been assisted even before court. So we will ask that indulgence, but of the opinion and our introduction, since the accused is not the same case. Yeah, and incarcerated as a result of that, therefore still in custody.
The investigating officer and the prosecution has no authority over the accused. He is under the detention of SAPS and of professional services. And I do want to submit and request that Advocate Denton Victoria and Advocate Victoria's decide on who's going to investigate the issues, because now two of them get the opportunity to have some. As it is. May I navigate this one? Thank you.
I could just say something, I'm not involved, but I think that the basic thing is, just let's be adult. What is going to happen now if I speak to this one? Won't break my relative, Trace.
Please be quiet, everybody